मानव 18वें सालगिरह के ऊपर तेरे को हार्दिक बधाई, शुभकामना। इस जनरेशन के सबसे छोटे लाल हो, हमें तेरे पे बहुत उम्मीद है और हम ईश्वर से कामना करते हैं कि तुम हमारी इच्छा को पूरा करोगे।
विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी 18th बर्थडे मानव। तुम्हारी जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामना। तुम्हारी क्या बड़ाई करूं, तुम हर एंगल से बहुत होशियार लड़के हो, पढ़ाई में, लिखाई में, खेल में, कूद में, हर चीज में। मैं ईश्वर से यही कामना करती हूँ कि तुम और आगे तरक्की करो और हमेशा खुश रहो, सुखी रहो और स्वस्थ रहो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मानो, 18 चार का शुभकामनाएं और हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Manav. Wish you all the best. Stay blessed always. Be cheerful, be pleasant, and be a brave man. Come up. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Manav. Now you're 18. Now lots of new things will come up. Start getting fitter, start getting better now in each and everything. All the very best and wish you a very happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी 18th बर्थडे मानव। हमेशा लाइफ में तुम्हें सक्सेस मिले और हमेशा खुश रहो।
मानव दुदोड़िया, तुम्हारे 18वें जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई व शुभकामना। स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मानव।
मानव, तुम्हारे जीवन के 18 वर्ष पूर्ण हो रहे हैं और तुम अब एक वयस्क बनने जा रहे हो। इस अवसर पर हार्दिक बधाइयाँ। बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो और अपने कर्तव्यों का निर्वाह करो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मानव।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मानव।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर मानव चाचू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हैप्पी 18th बर्थडे मानव चाचू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैप्पी बर्थडे मानव।
मानव हैप्पी बर्थडे। तुम्हारे जन्म के टाइम हमारा बॉम्बे फर्स्ट टाइम आना हुआ था, तो गेटवे ऑफ बॉम्बे है तुम हमारे लिए। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मानव। मम्मी पापा का लाडला, सबका है दुलारा। बहुत मन्नतों से पाया अनुप्रिया का भैया राजा। जन्मदिन तुम्हारा आया, खुशियों के पैगाम लाया। जीवन में हो कामयाब, सबको बांटो खुशियाँ हजार। ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर राह फूलों भरी हो, लेकिन तुम कभी न घबराओगे। हर बाधाओं को पार कर हीरे से तरासे जाओगे। चमक कभी फीकी न हो, यही आशीर्वाद देती हूँ। जन्मदिन की ढेरों बधाइयाँ। हैप्पी बर्थडे मानव।
Happy birthday Manu Mama. Congratulations as you have turned into an adult. I miss the times in Anmol where we used to play cricket, badminton and sometimes play at your house. Also the delicious brownie you used to make. I wish this pandemic gets over soon so we can meet.
Manav, I'm sharing a photo of yours. I believe you were in kindergarten at that point of time. And now my cute little brother is stepping into adulthood. Wow, time flies. I wish you the courage to grab all the opportunities of life and perseverance to live your life to the fullest.
Happy birthday, Manav. We are all very, very proud of you that you are growing up into a fine young man. Here's wishing that you dream big and believe that one day they will all come true.
Hi Manav, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Hope you have an amazing 18th birthday.
and wish you a lot of luck and love for the future.
Hi Manav, wish you a very happy 18th birthday. The fondest memory that I have with you, I have too many, but board games, all the fun that we have when all we cousins meet. But the most important when I realized that you're a grown up boy now was when I saw you dancing with your friends at a nightclub, which was, I think, amazing. I was so happy to see you like that. And finally that's where I was like, okay, Manav is now grown up. And finally now it's your 18th birthday, so it's really amazing. So I wish you all the best in life. And it is amazing to see you grow into a smart, intelligent person. And I'm very happy for you, and may you get all the success that you deserve. Love you.
Wish you a very happy 18th birthday. I really wish I could come to Bombay and we could celebrate it together. But I hope we do that soon. You're turning into an adult, but for me, you're always going to be the sweet child of mine. God bless you.
Hi Manav, many happy returns of the day. You are entering a new phase of life now, and it would come with its own share of responsibilities. I wish you all the very best. God bless you.
We love
Bye.
you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Manav.
I still remember this day 18 years back when you were born. I and Anuviti came to hospital to see you for the first time. I've seen you growing up from a cutie to a smartie. There are no words to describe the time which we have lived together. There was love, hugs, kisses, sharing, caring, fighting for no reasons, irritating for any reason. The bond which we both shared is unbreakable. Today, on your 18th birthday, I thought of making you feel happy by telling few good things about you. You've always made us feel proud, whether we winning in chess competitions or scoring excellent in academics. You are an obedient son, a perfect brother who irritates but cares and loves at the same time, all-time favorite mama of all your nieces and nephews, and your brownies, my god. My taste buds always crave for them. On your 18th birthday, not just on your 18th birthday, but I always wish the best life for you. May all your dreams come true with all the happiness and success. Happy 18th birthday, Manav.
A very happy 18th birthday to you, Manav. Wish you all the success and happiness in life. We have really good times playing board games and playing chess and having lots of fun. Have a great day and hope you have a great year ahead.
Hey मानव, wish you a very happy birthday. ऐसे बहुत साल हो गए हैं हमें मिले हुए, so this is the best way to make you remember me. Hope we'll meet soon. So enjoy your life and have lots of fun.
Hey Manav, hi. How are you? Happy birthday. Stay blessed. Although we have not met for the long time, but definitely we will catch up soon. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Manav. Have a blast.
ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम जाने दो जाना है
अभी तो आई हो अभी जाना है
Happy birthday Mama hope you have a great day ahead may you are 100 in your test Mama, we love you.
Happy birthday to you जी केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे